EcoHitch 2-inch receiver follow-up install to a 2019 Volkswagen Alltrack. Recommend using the template that comes with the EcoHitch kit to enlarge the area to fit. I made straight long cuts with PVC hacksaw blade. Working slowly made clean edges. Switching to a Dremel with a thin cutting wheel made trimming quicker and detail cuts like sanding high spots and bevels. After install, I noticed I didn't trim enough to keep the bottom horizontal. I've left it this way for almost a year. A few weeks ago, I noticed a video posted by Brendon Wagner and saw he had the same hitch and that his lower valance was flush and level. Shout out to @Brendon Wagner for the great vid on what he had to cut to get it to fit. I put the Alltrack on Rhino ramps to elevate the work area, taped off the cut lines, and prepared to correct the fitment. Using an oscillating cutting tool and a narrow belt sander, I got to work. Started slow with the known angles. I plunged the cutter into the plastic. The cutting tool made quick work of the process, and not much rough spots to sand. I rested my left hand on the trailer hitch as a guide to keep the cutter steady. A quick note, plan on getting some new 3M double-sided tape for the wires inside the bumper cover that feed the parking sensors. I installed this kit with less than 12,000 miles on the car, and the adhesion popped off a few of them. You'll see where they go. Each has a patch cable stay that sticks to the inside of the bumper. When you reinstall, you have to pivot the bumper cover to get the trailer hitch chain loops through the opening diagonally. Then align the bumper and clips. Using the narrow belt sander to clean up any rough plastic bits left behind. A utility knife cleaned up the corners very well. Remove the tape and check the fitment. Off camera, I reinstalled one of the lower trim clips to help level the bumper around the EcoHitch. Here's an after and before shot to show the improvement of bumper fit. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out Brendon Wagner's YouTube channel for great VW Alltrack content.